Hi guys, myself Nitish Kathuria, and I am here to display you about my project, my meals project, which I have developed using vanilla JavaScript, HTML, and CSS only. Okay, as the name suggests, this project will render all the meals details whatever I search on the search bar. Okay, so let's go to the project first, and then we will go to the code which I have written to develop this project. Here is my company's logo if you can see clearly, and here is some favorites link. Whenever I click on this link, it will take me to the my favorite page. Okay, and this is the search bar where I can search about the meal, and all the details related to that meal will be rendered on the page. Let us type A, then all the meals related to my search will be rendered here. Right, as you can see, every meal every meal contains an image of that particular meal. Like this meal, Big Mac, contains the image, very tasty, right, and the name of the particular meal, and the two buttons right there, right. Every meal you can see it. The first button, that is get details button, will responsible for getting the details of that particular meal. If I click on this get buttons, then the detail of that particular meal will be shown as follows. Here is the image of the meal, the name of the meal, and the instructions how to make that particular dish is written over here. If you want to watch the video, then you can watch it by clicking it here. Let's say I click it here, it will open another video, means another window, and take me to that video. Okay, let me close this. Okay, and if I click on the back button, it will close this detail window and take me back to the my search bar. Okay, so let's add some meals to the favorites icon. How to add? Here is the icon displayed, right? Here is the icon displayed. It Whenever I click on this, the particular meal will be added to my favorite page, and whenever I click it again, it will be removed from the favorite page. Let's add it to the favorite page, and let's see, will it be added to our favorite. Let's click on the this, and it will take us to the favorite page. See, all the meals that I've added to the favorites is shown up here, and I can click on the get details also to get the details of that particular meal. And when I ever click on this meal again, I mean this icon again, it will be removed from my favorite meals, right? Let's say I click it over it again, it will be removed from my favorite page. When I click on the search meal, it will take me to the favorite page again. And this website is completely responsive. Let me show you by clicking to the inspect button. As you can see, the meals are displayed as follows. When I decrease the width, it will be shown like that. Right? This is completely responsive website. And let's go through the code, and then we will see how write the code to for this project. This is the index.html file. Here are some meta tags that is displayed over there, the title of the page. I have created the four sections. The first one is the header section, which will take us the logo and the favorite link. Second one is the responsible for the rendering all the meals. Whatever I search on the search bar, all the meals will be rendered according to this section. And the second section will be a get details page. Right. Whenever I click on the get details button, a window appears, means a white div appears, which is responsive, which is rendering from this HTML. And the last one is the for favorite meals. Here is the home.css files, means all the designs of the project is in there. All the classes and IDs that I have used is written there. You can get through it. All the comments are there. You can see it clearly. Here are some variables that I've chosen to implement the functionality of the project. Here I've declared some functions using async await to get the data from the API that I've used. The first one is the get meals detail function, and the second one is the display meal. The get details will be responsible for the details of the particular meal. Display meals, whatever I search on the search bar, it will render all the meals related to that meal, right? As you can see all the function there, and at last I am rendering all the event listeners there. Okay, you can go through my code and you will understand it clearly. Okay, thank you and welcome.